Mediterranean quinoa bowl ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water, 1 cucumber, diced 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved a half red onion, thinly sliced a 1/4 cup Kalamata olives, pitted and halved a 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled. A 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped a 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped a 1/4 cup olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 clove garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: cook quinoa, rinse quinoa under cold water. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil, add quinoa, reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the water is absorbed and the quinoa is tender. Remove from heat and let it sit, covered, for 5 minutes, fluff with a fork and let it cool. Prepare the vegetables. In a large bowl, combine cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, parsley, and mint. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Combine, add the cooled quinoa to the vegetable mixture, pour the dressing over the bowl and toss to combine. Serve. Serve immediately or refrigerate for an hour to let the flavors meld together. These quinoa recipes are packed with nutrients and flavor, making them perfect for a healthy meal.